3 ways to teach you how to play with your phone while lying down correctly. Today I will teach you 3 ways to protect your eyes while lying down and playing with your phone. Bright environments are crucial for eye protection. When lying down and playing with your phone, make sure the surrounding environment is bright. Avoid overstraining your eyes. An environment that is too dark will make our eyes more nervous. It can easily cause visual fatigue and dry eyes, and even cause myopia. The second method is not to play sideways. When we play with our mobile phones sideways, our eyes will unconsciously slant. The pressure on the eyes will also increase. It is easy to lead to anisometropia, which means that the difference in myopia between the two eyes is getting bigger and bigger. Severe cases may even cause strabismus. The last method is when lying down. The best distance between the phone and your eyes is about 40 centimeters. Avoid excessive eye fatigue. In addition, if you have myopia, remember to wear my myopia glasses when lying down and playing with your mobile phone, so as not to aggravate vision problems. Like and follow for more interesting videos.